In this lesson, we will cover how to calculate interest on a loan and mortgage payment. We'll start with interest-only loans, also known as term loans, as they are much simpler to calculate compared to amortizing loans. As the name suggests, interest-only loans only include interest payments, which means the principal balance of the loan always stays the same. The borrower will have to repay the full loan amount at the end of the loan term, also known as a balloon payment. We can use the following formula to determine how much is paid in interest each year. Yearly interest payment equals loan amount times interest rate. Let's go through a quick example to see how this formula works. David obtained a $650,000 interest-only loan at a 6% interest rate. How much will David pay in interest each year? The first step we must take is to convert the interest rate to a decimal. 6% expressed as a decimal equals 0.06. Next, we multiply 0.06 by the loan amount. This equals 0.06 times $650,000, which gives us $39,000. David will pay $39,000 in interest each year. However, most loans are paid on a monthly basis. To determine the monthly payment on the loan, we simply divide the yearly interest paid by 12 months. This equals $39,000 divided by 12, or $3,250. Let's go through one more example. What is the monthly payment on a $520,000 interest-only loan with an interest rate of 5.25%? First, we convert 5.25% to a decimal. This equals 0.0525. Second, we calculate the yearly interest by multiplying 0.0525 by the loan amount. This equals 0.0525 times $520,000, or $27,300. Finally, we divide the yearly interest by 12 months, which equals $27,300 divided by 12, or $2,275. Now that we know how to calculate simple interest on an interest-only loan, let's go over how to calculate monthly mortgage payments on fully amortizing loans. Unlike an interest-only loan, a fully amortizing loan payment includes both principal and interest. Each month, the amount of principal being paid off gradually increases, while the amount of interest paid gradually decreases. However, the monthly loan payment remains the same. In order to accurately determine the monthly payment on a fully amortizing loan, you must know the loan amount, the term of the loan, and the interest rate. But even then, you still need a mortgage calculator to run the calculation. As an alternative, you can use a mortgage payment table, which gives you a factor that applies to each $1,000 of the loan amount. To find a mortgage payment table, simply Google the term to find several examples. The numbers on the table are constant, so any example you find will be sufficient. The mortgage payment table includes a series of interest rates at 1/8% intervals, and a factor number for both 15-year loans and 30-year loans. For example, the factor for a 30-year loan at 4.125% interest is 4.84. Or the factor for a 15-year loan at 5.875% interest is 8.37. But how do we use the factor to determine the monthly payment on a loan? There are 3 simple steps you need to follow. Step 1. Get the factor from the mortgage payment table. Step 2. Divide the loan amount by $1,000. Step 3. Multiply the factor by the number obtained in Step 2. Let's go through an example using these steps. We'll assume the loan amount is $560,000 with a 30-year term and a 3.875% interest rate. What is the monthly loan payment? First, we get the factor. By scanning through the table, we see the factor for a 30-year loan at 3.875% interest is 4.70. Next, we divide the loan amount by $1,000. This equals $560,000 divided by $1,000, or $560. Finally, we multiply the factor of 4.70 by $560 to get a monthly loan payment of $2,632. This is the amount of principal and interest paid each month on the loan. Let's go through one more example using the factor. John is obtaining a $320,000 mortgage with a 15-year term at 4.5% interest. How much will John pay each month in principal and interest? First, we obtain the factor for the 15-year loan at 4.5% interest. By looking at the table, we can see the factor is 7.64. Next, we'll divide the loan amount by $1,000. This equals $320,000 divided by $1,000 to get $320. Finally, we multiply the factor of 7.64 by $320 to get a monthly loan payment of $2,444.80. Using the mortgage payment table is a great way to quickly calculate the monthly payment on a loan if you do not have a mortgage calculator available.